So first things first, if we come to the passenger front door membrane, so we can see we've got some levers down there so we can put some water down the back of the window. So if we just put some water down the back of the window, just simulating that it's raining. Now it should come out the bottom of the door, which it is doing, but if we look closely, we can see the water's running out from either the speaker or the door membrane. So that would obviously be one water leak on the passenger front door. Obviously we've got a little bit of moisture down in this section here, so this is actually wet, this bit here on the carpet. Coming back round to the driver's side, we're just going to simulate the same thing on this door as well. So if we just put a bit of water down the outside, and we come on the inside, so we can see that it's coming out the bottom of the door. But if we look closely there, we can see that there's a drop running out from behind the door card, and we can feel that it's wet here in the carpet. We haven't managed to get the carpet up yet, but it is damp, and also it travelled to the back of the footwell as well. There we go, so we can see how wet that is under there if I push down on that carpet. Okay, so that's the two front doors which are leaking. Coming around to the back, we've got these little grommets which are by the rear lights on both sides, and if I just put a bit of water on the back of these and we go in the inside, let me just quickly get a torch, torch. Right, okay, so we're looking at that little plastic bit there. So if I put a bit of water in there, okay, oh, I just need to try and get a bit adjusted because I can't get on it. Right, there we go, we can see it now. Right, there we go, so we've got water coming in through that bit there quite quickly. And coming over to the driver's side, so we're just going to test this piece here. So once again, we're going to put water on the outside, and then that should come through. There we go, so we can just see it starting to form now. Okay, so that's getting water in through here as well, as we can see. It's common on these ones here.